The Womier Retro 75% keyboard is equipped with an innovative smart multimedia display and knob design, providing intuitive control over various functions. It offers versatile connectivity options with 3 modes: USB-C wired, Bluetooth 5.1, and 2.4 GHz wireless, allowing seamless switching between devices. The keyboard features a unique silencing design with triple absorption layers, enhancing the typing experience by reducing vibrations and improving key sound. Users can easily customize their typing experience thanks to the hot-swappable pre-lubed custom switches, compatible with most 3-pin and 5-pin switches. The keyboard's ultimate personalization is highlighted by its 19 RGB backlight modes, offering an immersive gaming atmosphere. Pro software allows for full customization of the RGB backlight, macros, and GIF image display settings, with a special music syncing mode for rhythmic lighting effects.